What is banking? Simple explanation for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to the Banking Desk. If you're new here, this channel is all about banking made simple. Today's question is very basic but very important. What is banking? If you've ever saved money in a bank, used an ATM, or sent money using your phone, you are already using banking. But how does it really work? Let's explain it in the simplest way possible. What is banking? Banking is the system that helps people keep, use, and grow their money safely. That's it. Simple. A bank is a place where you keep your money safe. You send and receive money. You save money. You borrow money. You pay bills. Instead of keeping cash at home, people trust banks to manage their money securely. Imagine this. You keep all your money at home. There is fire, theft, or loss. Your money is gone. Banks solve this problem. Banks protect your money, keep records of your transactions, make payments easy, help businesses and people grow. Without banks, modern life would be very difficult. How does banking work? Let's break it down simply. Here people deposit money. You put your money into the bank. Here the bank keeps it safe. Your money is stored securely and recorded digitally. Here the bank uses some of that money. Banks lend part of the money to businesses, home buyers, entrepreneurs. Here borrowers pay interest. This is how banks make money. Here you may also earn interest. When you save money, the bank may pay you interest. So banking is about saving, lending, and managing money. Types of banking. Today, banking is not only inside buildings. We have traditional banking, visiting a bank branch, ATM banking, withdrawing cash anytime, mobile banking, using your phone, online banking, using the internet. Modern banking makes money faster, safer, and easier to use. So, in simple words, banking is how money is kept safe, moved, saved, and grown. In the next videos, we'll talk about how banks make money, savings vs current accounts, digital banking, common banking mistakes. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Welcome to the Banking Desk, where banking is made simple.